watching NDTV Profit. I am Mahima Vachrajani. Vishal Mega Mart IPO opens today, and let's find out whether you should subscribe for it or not. To get into the key details, well, the issue opens on 11th of December, that is today, and ends on 13th of December. The issue price band is set between 74 to 78 a piece. There is no fresh issue in this particular IPO, and the OFS is 8,000 crores. So the total issue size is of 8,000 crores. The market value at upper end of the price, that is 78, stands around 35,168 crore, and the lot size is 192 shares. So for one lot, it's 192 shares, and the upper band is at 78. Now, what does this company exactly do? Well, it's a retail chain for middle and lower middle class income consumers. It's a one-stop solution where you can find apparel, general merchandise, and fast-moving consumer goods. So it basically caters to all merchandise categories, and its own brands has around 72% of shares. So it does not sell a lot of other brands. 72% of its selling is from its own brands. Now, the best part about this company is that it leases almost all its stores. So its working capital and the kind of capital intensity in terms of money, capital infusion is very less. So it works on a capital asset light model, and it operates network of around 645 stores as of September 24. Now, in terms of financial performance, so far it's been great. The company has delivered a strong CAGR of 26% over FY22 to 24. In terms of the key four metrics, if we compare the FY22 versus FY24, we've seen a 17% increase in revenue, a 22% increase in EBITDA, which went to 1,250 crores almost. In terms of the margins have remained around at 14%, which has increased by 13% as compared to the FY23 number, and PAT has increased to 461 crores, which has seen a jump of around 43 crores in terms of the PAT. So overall, the key numbers look good in terms of the growth as well. In terms of how the funds will be used, well, no proceeds will accrue to the company from offer for sale, is what the company has said. Now, company's guidance going forward, once the company gets listed, what does the company aspire to do? Well, it aspires to continue to deliver strong double-digit growth going forward. It expects to see retail space go at a CAGR of 10%. In the past first half of FY25, we've seen that the retail space, which is catering to the upper class, the tier 1 cities, has faced pressure, but companies catering to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities has seen growth, and this of course caters to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So it is set to see a good CAGR growth going forward. And in terms of the key advantages for the company, well, they have certain key advantages which include variety of clothing options that they have, both in terms of the middle income as well as lower middle income, and affordability is something that's driving their business going forward, which is also driving their same store sales growth, by the way. And it is a best in class return metrics to ensure that the future growth will happen through internal accrual going forward. So since they're not going to use any money for augering the business, internal accruals is something that will augur growth for the business going forward. Now, superior cost structure, because they use asset light model, they have a superior cost structure and a lower invested capital. So this could possibly aid margins also going forward. Now, key risks include that big PE investors could lead to potential ESOP dilution. People who are already working for the company might see some ESOP dilution going forward since PE investors are entering. Now, in terms of what the brokerage's view are, whether you should subscribe for the IPO or not, well, Devan Choksi has a subscribe on this particular IPO. They've projected a PE of 76 times and EV to EBITDA of 29 times. This valuation appears attractive according to the Devan Choksi report. Bajaj Broking has also subscribed, has given a subscribe rating from a longer term perspective. What they're saying is that the issue is priced at a price to book value of 5.94, and according to them, PE stands at 75.73, and this is indicating it as an aggressively priced IPO at the moment. So two different views. Devan Choksi thinks that it is fairly priced, but they are saying that this is aggressively priced, which is why Devan Choksi has a subscribe view versus that of subscribe for long term from Bajaj Broking. Well, this is the overall view of Vishal Mega Mart IPO. Will you be subscribing for it or not? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned to NDTV Profit.